Got a brand new product from Sansi. It's 4 LED bulbs. They are rated at 13 watts and they're 1600 lumens and the color count is 5000K. I am going to show you the unboxing and then I'm going to demonstrate the difference between a regular incandescent versus an LED. Stay tuned. This is with the regular incandescent light bulb. Now this is with the LED light bulb in the same socket. Just for size comparison, this is the bulb that I took out of the room. It's 40 watts. And this is the bulb that I installed. They're about the same size. This one's a little bit wider, but still fit in the fixture that I had this in with no problem. This one is really dull, yellowish. This is really bright and whitish. Each person has their taste, but I like the bright to begin with. Now, if you have made it this far into the video, I want to let you know that Sansi and I will be giving you a choice of product. The list will be in the description bar. One lucky winner will be chosen by a comment randomizer and checked if they left a comment below stating they want to win and must be a subscriber of Summers Woodworking channel. Then head over to Facebook and hit the like button over at Sansi and leave a comment there stating that Brian at Summers Woodworking sent you, and I'll leave a link in the description. And that's it. Good luck. Now, if you'd like to purchase the lights that I have just shown you, you may purchase them with a discount of 20% off on the 13 watt LED bulbs with the code 13WGREAT. And I'll have that down in the description bar too. Good luck and stay safe.